afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thomas here. I hope everybody is doing well on this Thursday afternoon. So in this video, I'm going to do some cold starts for you guys. And for people who like engines, or the sound of small engines, you'll enjoy this video. I'm going to start up all three things. I'm going to do a cold start on my Stihl FS46 weed whacker, my Stihl BG55 handheld leaf blower, and my brand new Echo leaf blower that I bought right before my birthday back in March. All right, so let's start with the BG55. All right, so this particular blower, I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyway, I apologize if you can't. This particular blower right here was made in 2005. Great blower.
One phase, large phase, zero phases, speech off.
I had to turn the speech off on my phone. Sorry about that, you guys. All right. So, it's hot out. Really hot out. Whoa. All right, I'm going to put her down. First thing we're going to do, we're going to primer. Okay, she's all primed. The switch is on. Gonna put it on choke. And she's ready to go. Now we're gonna take it off choke, put it on run. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm just going to start up my Echo blower. I'm not going to start up the weed whacker. I'm just going to start up my Echo blower, and I'll let the two of them run. All right, so I'm going to put the blower down and set it on cruise control, which means it will run on its own, like that, full throttle. All right, the next one we're going to do is my Echo. I don't know the model number, but we're okay. Here she is. Turn the switch on. All right, give her 10 primes. She's on choke. Get off choke. Really good blower. And this blower is good on gas. All right. Very cool. That's on cruise control too. This one right here. I gotta put this one by the shed because this one actually moves when you set it down, when you put it down. So yeah, it's a beautiful day today, you guys. Absolutely. All right. Very cool, very cool. All right, guys. The blowers are running. And hope you guys enjoyed this video.